guys, welcome to another video. And today we're gonna be doing a little bit of a hybrid. We're doing spicy food challenge, Mukbang.
10 hot hits.
10 packet of Maggi hot hits today. And we're gonna be adding our McSpicy patties into the Maggi hot hits. So yeah, today's gonna be a delicious episode. Let's see how it goes.
Let's start.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, we're back from cooking. And here is 10 packets of noodle with our 4 McSpicy patties. Let's get eating. It's gonna be so spicy.
Shouldn't we get a bowl or something?
Nope.
Okay.
Oh guys, remember the efficiency from our last video?
We took it to the next level.
Took it to the next level. We are drinking from a pot now. There's a whole pot of water. I'm gonna put the water in front so Ryan can reach it too. Oh, that covers the food.
It's delicious but really spicy.
When you first eat it, the spiciness comes in straight away. I'm gonna get some McSpicy in. Two of my favorite food add together. Wow. Great combination. How's it, Ryan? Is it nice?
Yeah, it is. At the same time, really spicy.
This noodle is again different from Samyang. Samyang, the spiciness comes in slowly, but this noodle, it hits you straight away. Alright? Last time I could have never finished 2 packets of this at one go, so I don't know if I can finish all today. But please don't give us a dislike just because we can't finish it.
And remember guys, these 10 packets. Wow.
Mixing mukbang, which is already very torturous, with a spicy food challenge, even more torturous, never a good idea. Ryan's reaching in for the water.
I'm sorry if I don't talk for the whole video because it's really spicy.
It's too spicy. So recently Ryan uploaded on our Instagram page Mobile Legends with Ryan, and I see that most of you actually really like the idea, so we'll be attempting the video tomorrow. And yeah, stay tuned tomorrow to see Mobile Legends with Ryan. I'm not gonna do Mobile Legends, I won't even play it. If Ryan asks me to play it, I'll do the same thing he did. Bye guys! This is the end of our video. So yeah, we'll see how it goes tomorrow. I'll be beside him watching him play, of course. And we'll be dropping a Minecraft video on Sunday, so stay tuned for that too. After about 1 or 2 months, we're back to spicy food. It was a good break, wasn't it?
Yup, and I'm gonna die. Not eating spicy food during our break was a mistake.
Oh man, we built up all that spice tolerance and now we start from 0 again.
Wow. I need the water.
I read somewhere online that if you drink water while eating spicy food, apparently it gets spicier, and I feel that that is true. Because they said that water spreads the capsaicin inside the chili around your whole entire mouth. So instead of feeling the spiciness on your tongue and your lips, you feel it on the upper and the lower part of your lips and in your mouth too. Five minutes in and I'm already sweating, even though I have the fan on. How are you holding up?
Really bad.
Come on man, half the tray isn't even completed. We only touched about 3/4. No, 1/4. I think we're approaching about half the tray soon. You know what? I think we might be able to finish this today. But that's too early to say, considering the spiciness builds up. Yep, we're at half the tray now. I'll be right back. I go get some tissue paper. Wow. This is really spicy. Do you regret doing this video?
Yes.
Will we do it again? Hell yeah.
I didn't agree.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I'm sorry if you don't talk much in today's video. Like Ryan said, it's too spicy. I can feel my ears ringing. And my nose is running like crazy. My lips hurt. My tongue is numb. The immense pain. Yes, I think we can't finish this, so I'd say they did a pretty good job. Looking at this, I think we're probably only left with 1 pack. So that means they've finished 9 packets in about 10 minutes or so. I'll say that's good progress. So it'll take some time to cool down and then we'll end the video here. Alright, so now I think I can talk better. Yeah, so we'll end the video here. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Share these videos with your friends, let them watch it, or send them the link to the video. Yeah, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.